Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make accessories for your Hot Wheels. In this case, I'm going to get a paper towel and make a tarp for a Hot Wheel. Like as a little decoration, you know? All you need is some string. I'm using dental floss, but you can use whatever the heck you want to use. Super glue, paper towel, scissors, and a card to put it on. And there you go. So here's what you're gonna do. I recommend that you cut a strand. I've never done this before. I got inspiration from a YouTube video. A YouTuber named Sharon Tarshish. And I'll do a shout out to him. So yeah, there you go. However, I do know that, thanks Sharon Tarshish for giving me and your other viewers that inspiration. Now I'm going to put it into motion. I'm going to see how this goes for me. I seriously don't know how this is going to work out for me. I'll try doing something, but I could honestly care less. Yeah, I'll just see how it goes though. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, wait, yep, I guess it's the length I want. Gonna fold. I'm just, you know what, screw that, I'm just going to roll it up. Roll up the thing, roll up the paper towel. And, yep, there you go. And once you get the size you want, alright, so now that you got that, get your glue and just glue it on there. Sorry, I've been having trouble with my glue recently. Yeah, it's all good though. Yeah. Alright, now that I have that in place, I can now cut it to the length I want. If it's too wide for me, then I just cut it down. But if that's the length I want, then I don't. But however, I'm gonna cut it a little bit down its length, and yeah, there you go. So all you gotta do now that you've got your tarp, you know, put it on the car. You can do this with a lot of stuff. You're not just limited to making tarps out of paper towels. And no, you're not. Get your string. Like I said, I'm gonna use dental floss for this. See that? That's what it's gonna get when you're done. So get the string. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it way longer than I need, so that I can cut off the excess. Sorry, my battery's running low again. It's all good though. But yeah, okay. So what you're gonna do now is cut your string, whatever the heck you're using. Cut it on the size you want. Depending on where you want to strap it, get the string, grab it close to one end, and put one end. In my case, I'm doing the roof. But if you feel like you need to, just glue the string on there. But yeah, there you go. So what I'm gonna do now is, now that I've got the thing I want, now that the length is good for me, I guess, I'm gonna strap the tarp to the side, or I'm at least gonna strap it to the top of the car. About right. Sorry, I've never done this before, So don't judge me if I'm a little bit rusty on my skills. But yeah. So, what the hell? What the hell? I'm gonna speed this up. This is gonna be really boring. Alright, now that I've tied the tarp to the body of the car, there's obviously one thing I must do. Wait, hold on a second. I need to tighten those knots first. But I obviously need to cut it down. By a lot, too. But, it's all good. I'll do that when I got all the knots in. Yeah, there you go. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. So the last thing you're gonna need to do for this tutorial is you're gonna need to cut this thing, or cut the. But if for whatever reason you cut the string too long, you can always cut them down, even if you don't have the knots in. But yeah, there you go. There it is. The string I was using was a lot tighter than I expected, but it's all good. Yeah. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. And there you have it. A tarp or an accessory for your Hot Wheels. And as always, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and stay cool. See you next time. Bye for now.
Adios.
That's right.